Next traction failure is total loss of tractive effort TLTE with GR progression. That means GR is progressing, but still total loss of tractive effort is found. The abnormal sign for this traction failure is when MP is moved from 0 to N and then to plus, LSG are extinguished, that means GR progressed, NR notch repeater deviated, showing one notch, but traction ammeters not deviating and loco also not moving. This is total loss of tractive effort with GR progression. And the reasons all line contactors not closing, and number 2, cut in A34 terminal, and number 3, cut in traction transformer primary winding. These three or any one of these three can be the reasons for this traction failure. This is the traction power circuit for you, and the reasons that we were talking about, this is the A34 terminal. So here GR is progressing, that means this auto transformer taps are moving. So when MP is placed on plus, one notch progression has taken place. That means the GR has moved from 0 to 1 notch, and the supply is connected through bus bars and CGR 1 to 3 contactors. It has reached this A34 terminal, but if there is any defect in this terminal, there is any cut in this terminal, this traction transformer primary cannot get energized, thus leading to total loss of tractive effort. And the second reason we were discussing, there may be cut or open circuit in this traction transformer primary. This is the traction transformer primary, and if there is any cut or open circuit in the primary winding, then also the power supply is available here, but due to open circuit it cannot charge the secondaries, and thus tractive effort cannot be possible at traction motors. And the third reason we were talking about is, even if traction transformer is working good, there is no cut in A34 terminal, there is no cut in traction transformer primary, secondary windings also good, so everything is good, but still if all these line contactors are not closing due to any technical reason, due to any control circuit failure, if all these line contactors, all these 6 line contactors L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, L6, if it happens that all these line contactors fail to close, the power cannot reach the traction motors, and thus leading to total loss of tractive effort even with GR progressing. So the troubleshooting. Coming to troubleshooting, it is very clear that if there is any problem with A34 terminal, LP cannot do anything. If there is any cut in traction transformer primary winding, LP cannot do anything. But the troubleshooting can be done for these all line contactors not closing. And for that, before moving to troubleshooting, we'll check the control circuit for this line contactors once, then we can easily understand the troubleshooting also. So the conditions for all line contactors closing normally are CCP diffuse to be in good condition, then BL unlocked, MP from any cap 1 or 2 on minus, plus and N traction side closes. Q50 should be in energized position, that means it's normally open interlock, closes here. CTF 1, 2, 3 to be in traction side properly set. HVSI 1 and 2, HVMT 1 and 2 should be either on 1 or 3, 1 or 3. Then HMCS should be on 1 position, both HMCS 1 and 2 should be 1 position. Then the line contactor coils L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, L6 get supply and they get closed. So if we have to troubleshoot, we have to check these items for troubleshooting. So the first point in the troubleshooting is, since these line contactors are electro-pneumatic contactors, first ensure MR pressure is above 8 kg per cm square. Place HVSI 1 and 2 and HVMT 1 and 2 on 3 position and try. First ensure all the 4 switches are on 1. If they are already on 1, keep them on 3 and try. Then open DJ, operate BL key 2 or 3 times, and finally unlock the BL board and close DJ and try. Clean the interlocks of Q50 and try. Clean the interlocks of Q50 and try. Operate all 3 CTFs 1 or 2 times manually after taking safety precautions, and finally ensure they are kept on traction side, that is upwards. Ensure EP1 and EP2 cocks are in open position, because as we have already learnt, these line contactors are electro-pneumatic contactors, and pneumatic supply is also essential along with electric supply. Ensure EP drain cock is in closed condition, because even though MR pressure is above 8 kg per cm square and EP1 and EP2 cocks are open position, if EP pipeline drain cock is in open position, it should be in closed position. If it is open position, there it leads to heavy leakage of air, which affects the healthy closing of line contactors. Then check for any air leakage in the pipelines leading to BA1, BA2 and BA3 panel, and try to arrest the same, just like EP drain cock open condition affecting the healthy closing of line contactors. Any air leakage in the pipelines leading to these panels also will affect the healthy closing of line contactors. So ensure there are no leakages, and if found any, try to arrest them and resume traction. If still unsuccessful, contact TLC. And this is the troubleshooting for TLTE with GR progression. Total loss of tractive effort with GR progression. GR progresses, but power doesn't reach the traction motors due to all line contactors not closing or cut in A34 terminal or cut in traction transformer primary.